Introducing Tube Tornado, which helps you get traffic from YouTube Shorts without having to create a video. Tube Tornado is the world's first 3-click short video creator software that produces viral videos quickly and drives massive traffic to your websites, blogs, and offers with the help of YouTube Shorts. Using this powerful software, you don't need to show your face in front of the camera, record your own voice, as well as use other expensive equipment. Simply create viral videos with Tube Tornado and start reaching millions of audiences on YouTube. YouTube Shorts is the best way to take advantage of this latest trend. Still, 99% of marketers have no idea about it. It's extremely easy to get all traffic for yourself if you start right now. It's the golden opportunity for anyone looking to get tons of traffic to their sites, blogs, offers, and businesses. Newbies, people with no real skills, no experience, no idea, and just some by pure luck, unknowingly are making $500 to even $1,000 per day with this traffic method. You can use Tube Tornado to get more traffic and sales, no matter what your website specializes in. It can be a make money online niche, a weight loss niche, a dating niche, a beauty, a health niche, or any other niche. Tube Tornado can help you get more traffic and sales. Thank you for watching. If you liked our video, then hit the subscribe button to never miss out on any of our videos. See you next time.